Two answers to that question, I'm afraid. I think domain expertise is becoming important in certain kinds of jobs, but at the same time, which means that people look for. So I want a guy who has an FMCG kind of a background, even if though I'm not an FMCG, but that kind of a product supply organization, manufacturing, heavy sales, network. I need a person with. I've heard people say, I need a CFO with an FMCG background because he dealt with, supply chain. He's dealt with contract manufacturing. He's dealt with a huge, heavy sales engine, and therefore has the experience and stuff that is required. I still hear that, and I think to that extent, experience seems to count. But I think you cannot say that right across. I also hear people saying that I don't want people from my industry. I mean, I've heard a CEO of a real estate company say, I don't want people from real estate because I'm trying to change the way this organization is run, and I don't want to benchmark people from real estate industry because the practices in the real estate industry are whatever they are. And I think I want to change the way the game is played. So when I look at sales, why do I need people who have no brokers and are part of the broker network? Why can't I have people from Citibank who come in and can sell housing projects? What's wrong with that? So I think I see a mix. Yes, I think that organizations where domain is very critical, which is you learn from experience and experience value adds, their experience certainly is crucial. But I also see jobs, and I also see CEOs today taking a slightly different view as well, to say that if I want to change the way the practices are in this industry and in this sector, then why can't I go across and look at people from different industries who come in with the innocence of the knowledge of practices, and therefore are innocent enough to do the things which are actually required to be done. So I actually see both, but in domain-focused industries, I think experience is still very, very relevant.